Vincent! Hi, I'm Vincent, and guess what we're making today? Banana muffins! And we really like it. Let's get started. First, you need to mash these bananas. One more banana to go. Make sure all your bananas are mashed well. It's time to play here. I love it when I work in super speed. Now we need to add the water and mix well. Be careful because it's very small. Mix it well like this. Okay, this part is done. Mix butter and bananas until well combined. Put the baking soda and salt, and then the best thing I like, it is sugar. So first put the baking soda. Then you put this. Be careful. Do it with your other hand. Now the biggest spoon yet. I love sugar because they make my banana muffins so good. Time to mix. It's like making noise. Hear it, look. Because of the sugar inside. If you do this noise, then you can't even hear it. If they're all mixed together, that means it's time for the rest of the ingredients. First, you put the vanilla flavor and then beat the egg. This is vanilla flavor. Beat the egg. Okay, now it's time to put it in. See how it's mixed? Ready? Now we mix again. Next we'll put in the flour. See how it is like that? So to put it, you know why it has it? So it doesn't spill anymore. It smells so good. It'll clean up all of this mess. You'll see how dirty it is. Wipe your mess. Wipe your mess. I love this muffin tin because it makes heart muffins. Now we need to put this inside. Okay, ready? Make it the right way. Just a little bit. Does it smell fantastic? Make it evenly shaped. Yep, it's even. And oven is 350 degrees hot. It's time to put these in. We got muffins. It's time to do the taste test, but I want you to check them out. I'm gonna cut it and let me show you how they are. Look how inside the muffin is. Is it cool? Okay. It's time to do the taste test. It's so good. It's so fun. Make these muffins. Muffins. This smells so good. If you like this video, then check out my pancake video and like on both of them. Thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe. Bye. Goodbye. We like it. Yep.